Friends, third IPO of 2021 will open on 21st January. Mumbai-based Home First Finance Company India Limited will enter the capital market on 21st January 2021 with IPO of rupees 1154 crore. Home First is a housing finance company. So you will wonder what is new for this IPO and why it offers its shares at high valuation. Let's first discuss about this company. Home First Finance is a technology driven housing finance company with clear focus on affordable housing. The company targets first time home buyers in low and middle income group. The company mainly serves salaried and self employed customers. Salaried customers account for 72.6% of its gross loan assets and self-employed customers account for 24.6% of gross loan assets. It primarily offers customers housing loans for the purchase or construction of homes. Its gross loan assets have grown at CAGR of 69.8% between financial year 2017 and financial year 2019. The average ticket size of its housing loans are rupees 10 lakhs. Home First has vast network of branches covering over 60 districts in 11 states and a union territory in India, with a significant presence in urbanized regions in the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Home First has leveraged technology in various facets of its business, such as processing loan applications, managing customer experience, and risk management. It has developed a paperless process to onboard customers efficiently, and its well-trained front-end team appraises customers by conducting home and workplace visits and ensure minimum disruption to the customer's daily routine. The promoters of this company are True North Fund LLP and Ether Mauritius Limited. The offer comprises of fresh issue and an offer for sale. The company proposes to utilize the net proceeds of the fresh issue for augmenting its capital base to meet future capital requirements. IPO opens on 21st January 2021 and closes on 25th January 2021. This issue is a book built issue with the size of rupees 1154 crores. Fresh issue is of rupees 265 crore and offer for sale is of rupees 888.72 crores. The company has offered rupees 2 face value shares at the price band of rupees 517 to 518 and minimum lot size is of 28 shares. The shares will be listed on BSE and NSE. Listing is expected on 1st January, that is on the day of budget. Earning per share in the year 2019-20 was rupees 10.77 and in the first 6 months of current year the earning per share is rupees 6.59. The company has earned return of net worth of 10.90% in the year 1920. Book value of the share after IPO at the cap price will be rupees 150.07. Upper price band to last EPS is 47.52 and upper price band to book value ratio is 3.45. Let's compare this IPO with the India's number one housing finance company HDFC, which has price to book value ratio of 3.37. HDFC has TTM PE ratio of 29.93, whereas LIC Housing Finance, which is India's second ranked housing finance company, has TTM PE ratio of 8.23 and its price to book value ratio is just 1.20. Aavas Financiers has TTM PE ratio of 61.96 and price to book value ratio of 7.20. So if we compare valuation of Aavas with this company, the price of Home First is relatively low. Axis Capital, Credit Suisse Securities, ICICI Securities and Kotak Mahindra Capital are lead managers of this IPO. Karvy Fintech Private Limited is registrar to the IPO. Let's discuss grey market trend for this IPO. At present, grey market premium is rupees 170, whereas fixed application rates are 500 rupees and subject to rates are 4000 rupees. Yet, investment decision should not be based on grey market trends. So, based on various parameters and current boom period of the market, the IPO is expected to give reasonable returns to the applicants. Thanks.